Kitty, what are you doing out here? Did I not see you before? Oh, you're so Portuguese. Portuguese.
Portuguese.
She's a freaky young man, a bisexual, but a hustler though, and a sales.
Use this video of Doobert sleeping for your streaks today, but do not wake him up.
I wanna turn the whole thing upside down. I'll find the things they say.
Everyone shut up. Doobert has something important to say. Doobert before the Taco Bell Diablo sauce incident. Doobert after the Taco Bell Diablo sauce incident.
Breaking news. A new president has been chosen for our country, and here are his first words.
Use this video of Doobert yelling for our streaks today. Car engine.
To infinity and beyond!
Use Doobert for your streaks today. He is photosynthesizing. Rate Doobert's loaf.
I cast testicular torsion!
Everyone shut up. Your new president has something important to say. Use Doobert for your streaks today. He is a vicious predator.
This little fucker is a rogue U.S. military asset and a danger to public safety. NORAD has deployed Reaper drones equipped with missile systems to conduct...
Wait, have you heard this? Now you have. Doobert is too busy spinning to be evil. Staring contest with Doobert.